Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 adorable and easy to make DIYs that I turned into high-end Dollar Tree fall decor. So if you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor, all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a wood pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. I removed the raffia bow from the pumpkin. I painted the pumpkin with the maize chalk paint from Waverly. When the pumpkin dried, I brushed on some school glue on the pumpkin and left it until it felt tacky to touch.
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me.
I painted over the glue with the pumpkin chalk paint from Waverly.
I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move,
And used a hairdryer to dry the paint to get a crackling effect.
no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun.
It didn't crack as well as I had hoped, so I used a scraper to remove some of the pumpkin paint, and that technique worked and made the pumpkin look more realistic. I have a rub-on transfer sticker from the Dollar Tree. It's for a glass, but I used it on the wood pumpkin and it went on perfectly.
Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I painted the stem with the truffle chalk paint from Waverly. And to finish this cute DIY, I glued 2 burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree on the pumpkin, and I glued the raffia bow back on the stem.
Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night.
I really love this pumpkin and how realistic it really looks with a chippy look. This rustic farmhouse pumpkin is going to be a beautiful addition to my coffee bar this fall. For this DIY, I have some material from Martin's that I got for 88 cents each. I'm going to make a pillow for a chair in my kitchen. I don't have a sewing machine, so I will be using my hot glue gun, and hopefully it'll hold well. I placed the printed fabric sides together and ran the hot glue gun along the edges, pressing the fabric edges together.
Be with got you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
I left one section open and turned the fabric inside out and stuffed it with some stuffing from an old pillow I had on hand. I folded the edges inside and glued them together. And to finish this DIY, I made a cute messy bow for the corner.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote.
This was an easy and simple pillow to make. I just wish I had a sewing machine instead. It worked out good, and I will enjoy this pillow in the kitchen for fall and Thanksgiving. For this DIY, I have a wreath form from the Dollar Tree and 3 garlands that I had bought last season from Michael's that I've never used. I tied the end of one garland to the wreath and wrapped it around. It took 3 garlands to complete the wreath. You could tie pieces of fabric to the wreath if you don't have any garland.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I really love how I turned the garland into a beautiful tie wreath for my kitchen. And if I decide in the future I want to use them as a garland, I just have to untie the ends and I'll be able to reuse them again. For this DIY, I have a bamboo ring and fall ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I glued the end of the ribbon to the bamboo ring and I wrapped the ribbon around it.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
I made a simple bow and glued it to the ring.
Need a favor, call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere.
I glued 3 green pumpkins and moss from the Dollar Tree in the center of the bow.
See me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
This was another easy to make wreath that will be a sweet touch to a small space for fall. For this DIY, I'm going to make over a pumpkin that I made last year. I removed the stem and leaves from the top and removed as much of the glue as possible. I'm going to leave the straw hat material on the pumpkin for the texture. I painted the pumpkin with the moss chalk paint from Waverly.
What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers.
When it dried, I brushed on DIY white wax on the pumpkin, rubbing off the excess and blending the wax into the paint.
About how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime, you and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness?
I placed a lace doily in the center of the pumpkin at the top. I glued leaves and a flower in the center of the lace doily.
Lights a spark, like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
And to finish this adorable DIY, I have a riser I made last year using a candle holder and a galvanized cap from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to brush white wax from Waverly on the cap part and rub off the excess to relax the antique wax that was originally on it.
Tells me that you want me.
I placed the pumpkin on the top and wow, they look absolutely great together on my counter. It was fun to make over 2 items that I did last year into Dollar Tree high-end decor for this fall. Let me know in the comments which DIY you like the most. I hope I inspired you today with some new ideas for your fall decor this year. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that joined me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.